हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ एसे वंडर ऑफ साइंस, जिसमें मैं आपके साथ सभी टॉपिक शेयर करूँगी। इंट्रोडक्शन, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मेडिकल साइंस, एग्रीकल्चर, कंप्यूटर एंड लैपटॉप, मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन, डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ साइंस एंड कंक्लूशन। तो पूरे एसे को देखने के लिए वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें। और Introduction. Modern age is the age of science. Many wonderful discoveries and invention has been made by science. It has made our life easy and comfortable. We cannot live without it. There are many wonders of science such as electricity, internet and computer. Electricity. Electricity is the greatest wonder of science. It keeps our room cool in the summer and hot in the winter season. By cooler and AC, it pulls our machines and it moves our fans. We entertain on television or cinemas by help of science. The presence of electricity has removed darkness from the world. Means of transport and communication. Buses, cars, trains, ships, and aeroplanes are the greater contribution of science. We can reach safely at any part of the world within a few hours. Science also developed a way of communication. With the help of telephone, wireless, email, and internet, the world shrunk into the small village. Using internet, we can talk live with our friends and family members easily. Audio and video calls through internet are the fastest made of communication. The invention of mobiles and the internet has reduced the distance between people. Medical science. Science has cured men from very dreadful diseases. TB and cancer have been controlled. It has made men healthier. In the field of surgery of science have done wonders. Open heart surgery and heart transplantation have become possible. Surgery can involve cutting, aborting, or otherwise physically changing body tissues and organs. Agriculture. Science has helped us in the development of agriculture. Use the fertilizers, better quality seeds has increased crop production. New tools like tractors, harvesters have modernized agriculture. Computer and laptops. Scientists have invented computers. Computers are also great invention of science. They are helping us a lot in severe fields. They make calculation at great speed. These are wonderful invention. Computer can do complex calculation and work very fast. They have solved many problems of the man. Disadvantage of science. Everything has two sides. Science too has dark side. The invention and production of atom bomb and other dangerous weapons are a threat to the existence of humanity in the world. They can destroy big cities and kill many persons in a few seconds. Big factories and other machines have made water and air polluted. Conclusion. Science is indeed a boon. It is very beneficial to the modern man. But invention and discoveries have also become destructive in various ways for mankind. We must ensure the wise use these scientific invention in the order to save the world from the evil side of science. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।